What if the next drone you carry could fit in your jacket pocket, yet still deliver footage that looks like it was shot on a professional cinema rig? That is exactly the kind of idea the DJI Mini 6 Pro is bringing into the rumor spotlight right now. And even though it has not been officially announced, the excitement around it is already reaching a new level. Tech communities, drone pilots, and content creators are all asking the same question. What is DJI planning next? And how far can they actually push a sub-250-gram drone? To understand why the Mini 6 Pro is getting so much attention, we first need to look at what came before it. The DJI Mini 5 Pro already set a very high standard in the compact drone category. It brought a powerful 1-inch sensor, stunning 50-megapixel photography, and smooth 4K video recording at up to 120 frames per second. On top of that, advanced obstacle sensing with LiDAR support made flying safer and more confident, even for beginners. It became one of the most balanced mini drones ever made, offering professional-level features while still staying under the important 250-gram weight limit, which helps users avoid strict regulations in many regions. But this success has also created a new problem for DJI. Expectations for the next model are now extremely high. The Mini 6 Pro is not just expected to be a small upgrade. It is expected to be a major leap forward. One of the biggest talking points right now is the camera system. Many leaks and discussions suggest that DJI may try to push image quality even further, possibly improving low-light performance and dynamic range beyond what the current 1-inch sensor offers. There is also growing speculation around higher video resolution, with 5.7K and even 6K recording being mentioned more and more in tech circles. If this becomes reality, it would give creators much more flexibility in editing, cropping, and stabilizing footage without losing detail. Another exciting rumor that keeps appearing online is the possibility of a dual-camera setup. This would be a massive change for a drone this small. Imagine having both a wide-angle lens for landscapes and a telephoto lens for closer cinematic shots, all in one ultralight device. If DJI manages to fit this kind of system into a sub-250-gram body, it could completely redefine what mini drone means. It would also give filmmakers and content creators a huge creative advantage, without forcing them to move up to heavier and more regulated drone categories. Battery life is another area where users are expecting improvements. The Mini 5 Pro already offers around 36 minutes of flight time, which is very impressive for its size. However, early discussions suggest the Mini 6 Pro could push this even further, possibly reaching or even exceeding the 40-minute mark under ideal conditions. That extra flight time might seem small on paper, but in real-world shooting, it can make a huge difference when capturing long takes, tracking subjects, or waiting for the perfect lighting conditions. Beyond hardware, there's also a strong expectation for smarter software and AI improvements. Better subject tracking, smoother automated flight paths, and improved obstacle avoidance behavior are all highly anticipated. There is even talk about upgraded transmission technology, possibly bringing DJI's next-generation signal system into this compact drone. That would mean stronger connection stability, reduced latency, and a more reliable live view even in challenging environments. At this point, everything about the DJI Mini 6 Pro is still based on leaks, patterns, and educated predictions. But one thing is clear: if DJI delivers even half of what is being rumored, this could easily become one of the most important drone releases in the mini category. The combination of portability, advanced imaging, and intelligent flight features is exactly what modern creators are looking for. And that is why the anticipation around this device continues to grow every single day.